Please subscribe my channel The Craft Universe and press the bell icon to see the latest videos I upload. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel The Craft Universe. Today I am going to teach you how to make a photo frame cube. So let's start. For making the cube photo frame, you need a origami paper. I have taken this paper designer paper. You can buy this easily in any store. So I will take one paper from this. First you will take a origami paper and then fold it across like this. Now you have to fold it on this line. Now what you have to do is take this and then put it in the middle of the midpoint. Same with the others. Now you have to take a corner and then fold it on this line. Same with the others. Now you will see that squares are made on this sheet. Now what you have to do is take this and then fold it across on this point like this here. Same with the others. Now after doing this, you have to flip the paper and then fold these corners like this. Please note that these corners should be equal. Now you have to flip the paper again and then you have to take this corner and then put it in this, like you have to cover the white space like this. Same with the others. Now you have to flip the paper and then the leftover paper you have to fold it like fold it. And now take a fairy stick and then paste these. Press it. Now you you have to fold this paper on this line like this. Same with the others. Now I have made this. Please notice that these corners should be sharp. Now you have to flip this paper and then fold it again. You have to fold the corners. Now our piece is ready. You have to make 6 of them. So now I have made 6 of them. So first we will paste the corners, like we will paste these. First we will flip the corners and then paste like this. And press it hard as on. So now we will paste these 6 corners, these 6 pieces to the corners. So I will paste this. Like now we have to paste these corners like this. First you have to stand it and then put Fevicol on it and then paste it like this. We will press it hard like this. Now the first corner is pasted and now we have to paste all the corners like this. Now we have pasted all the corners like this. Now I'll paste the last piece like using Fevicol. And then our photo frame cube is ready. After this, we'll press it hard as it is the last piece. Yes. Then we'll paste these all. Now our cube is ready. We can put photos in it like this. And if you don't have the size of photo, you can paste the photo on a paper and then put it in. If you like the cube, please subscribe my channel and please comment. Thank you for watching.